So we're going to do a spinach pasta today with cream. This is so easy. You can be using the spinach from a can, not so great, frozen, okay, or fresh like we're doing today, which is much better. This is going to take us just a few minutes. It doesn't take long at all. It's delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So let's get started with our spinach here. What I've done with this is I've given it a nice wash. If you've got fresh spinach, get it into some nice cold water, give it a wash. There's little bits of grit and dirt in there. Get it all out, drain it off. We're simply going to cook this off with a touch of water. So we're going to need a large pot. We're going to get some cold water and put it in. You don't need much at all. Touch of salt. Then we're going to grab the spinach. The heat's going to go on. Lid on. I'm going to cook that for about 4 to 5 minutes. It will completely reduce down. It looks like a lot right now, but it really isn't. Okay, so that's 5 minutes. Off goes the heat. Off comes the lid. All that steam come out there. And there you go. You've got some lovely spinach cooked there. What we need to do now is drain that off, let it cool down. Then we're going to chop it up. So as you can see, I've now chopped the spinach and I just drained any excess of water out of it. It does get quite waterlogged. Pasta, I'm using penne pasta. Get your pasta cooked. We're not going to talk about pasta at all until it goes in at the end. You can use any type you want, fusilli, tagliatelle, spaghetti, up to you. Onion, I've got 1 onion there sliced. I've got 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. I love that in there, it really works really well. And here I've got some cream. This is 250 ml of cream. Now before you need to email me, any cream works, thick or thin, it doesn't matter. So yeah, it will all work out the same. Let's get to the cooker. We're gonna add salt, pepper, and we'll start it off with some olive oil, so easy. So in my pan here, I've got some olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want. The heat is on. I've just put the heat on quite high. And we're going to drop in our onion with the tablespoon of garlic, salt, black pepper. 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Beautiful. Now time for the chopped cooked spinach. We're going to add the oregano and that little bit of nutmeg. Believe me, that nutmeg really does make a massive difference in this. We're going to go for 3 to 4 minutes on the high heat, stir frying it and moving it pretty much all the time. We're really nearly there, by the way. Fantastic. We're now going to grab that cream, 250 ml of cream. Like I say, thick or thin will make no difference. I didn't show you this earlier, but I'm going to drop a little bit of Parmesan cheese in there. Keep it on this high heat. Grab your pasta of choice, get that in. 3 minutes, keep it moving. We want to get the sauce all over and in the pasta. I'll see you at the table. This is ready, so easy. And there you go, guys. That little bit of nutmeg really does make a difference. Very, very simple. Absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoy that, and I'll see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.